I decided to send my daughter to Cylch because around this area, if you have Welsh incorporated in your language, it helps so much with jobs, with your future, with just daily life. It helps with socialising, and when you go to different places, you're just bilingual then. They're like sponges, they suck it all in at such a young age. It's the best time to do it, and it's not even something to worry about. They just get on with it. You don't need to worry about, oh, will they forget English, will they forget this? They don't, they just bung it all together, and it's amazing.
So nes I, wel, es I ysgol Saesneg, a nes I ddysgu Cymraeg fel ail iaith fy hun. So dwi dal, hyd yn oed fel oedolyn, yn teimlo mod i'n dal fyny efo pobl iaith gynta. A o'n I ddim eisiau na i'r plant, o'n I eisiau rhoi'r anreg I fod yn ddwyieithog, hollol ddwyieithog o ddechrau I plant fi.
The advantages of having or knowing more languages is really beneficial for the development of the children, especially cognitively. They will help them analyze or work on a situation differently. You know, they will develop a sense of processing in different ways. So having or knowing or learning more languages is very beneficial, in my opinion, for the children.
She's coming out with all these new words, she's singing Welsh at home, she's calling me the aunties' names at home, and I'm like, no, I'm mum. But no, I'm just proud of her. There's no concerns I have whatsoever, and she absolutely loves it here.
O, mae wrth I fod yn dod I Cylch. Dwi'n cael y straeon a mae'n canu caneuon pan mae'n dod adre. Sy'n rili neis gweld achos pen oedd o I nursery oedd o'n mynd I gyntaf, wedyn nath o fynd dechrau cychwyn Cylch. So ydych chi'n gweld y gwahaniaeth. So mae wrth I fod yn ei gweithgareddau, peintio, dwi'n clywed sôn am dewin a doti, clywed o'n canu, ond mae'n rili neis. Fatha, mae gys clywed o'n dod adre yn deud yr holl gweithgareddau yma hefyd, ynde, a bod o'n dod adre o wen o glys I glys bob diwrnod hefyd.
It's the language that my wife speaks, it's the language that their family speaks, it's the language that I love dearly in my heart, and I would like to learn it. I start to learn it. It's a slow process, I have to admit, but it's going on, and that would give me more reason to learn it, and I also think like it's something beautiful because I'm learning along the way with them, and I didn't feel that I will be left alone. I felt I will be part of the gang, part of the group, and part of the community. As an immigrant, as somebody who's relatively new in this country, that would give me the opportunity to be with the real people of this country.
So before Bobby started at Cylch, he had a speech delay. He wasn't saying much in English, never mind Welsh, so I was very, very concerned. It was my partner's sort of choice to send him to a Welsh school. It was really important to him, but I was a bit concerned about that because I thought, is it going to delay him even further with his English speaking as well? But since he started, his English has come on so much. He's now talking in sentences, and he's even started talking a little bit of Welsh as well at home. So he's come on so much in such a short space of time. It's really lovely to see.
So I think they shouldn't be scared, they shouldn't be afraid that sending a child to the Welsh school is going to cause any trouble, because as long as they start from the youngest age, they will catch up with everything in no time.
It's incredible to see that children can learn and use both languages so well from such a young age and be fluent in both. Children can learn the Welsh language very easily without any pressures, and it's done in a fun and experiential way.
You know, languages aren't just a form of communication, it's a form of understanding the world and shaping your thoughts, and having an extra way of doing that has got to be a huge advantage for your children. So yeah, come and have a look, come and see, come and talk to people. Yeah, it'll become obvious that it's a good choice.